folks, and welcome to this episode of The Average Joe. And Holly's here. Hi, Holly. You're taking a bath, huh? The chicken leg in the air? Yeah. This is an unboxing and review video. Today, we are going to be unboxing a package from B&H Photo and Camera in New York. This is the Feiyu G4 Pro 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer for smartphones. In bubble wrap. It is my first gimbal. So let's take that, and we'll take the box out of there. So that's what's in the package.
Oh, we need the scissors.
Take this outer seal off. Yep. This outer wrap. So this is my first gimbal, but I think it's time I get one. So when we film with our smartphones out and about, this will help the image be better, keep it stabilized, and allow for more intriguing videos as we learn this craft of content creation. So let's see, take a look at what we got here. The G4 Pro 3-axis stabilized handheld gimbal for iPhone. Supports manual, that's French. Okay, I don't speak French. But, so there we go. That is the Feiyu G4 Pro. Alright, so let's see what it says on the box. It shows us the different axis, the joystick, the function button, rolling axis, tilting, and panning. Alright, very good. And the joystick allows for up, down, left, and right movement. Made by Feiyu Tech. And there it is with the phone actually in it. Let's open that, shall we?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, we just slide it out of the box. You want to hold the camera? Oh,
there we go.
We're just going to slide it right out. Woohoo, cool. And again, the G4 Pro 3-axis stabilized handheld gimbal. Alright. Beautiful packaging actually.
Nice.
The instruction sheet. Ooh. Very, very nice. That is actually very nice quality. And this is the Pro model. Comes with the batteries, it looks like. Alright, instructions. Let's see, shall we take it out?
We shall try.
We shall try.
Oh, I see. It's all one piece.
Yep,
so I was trying to
It'll feel like a dead fish until we put batteries in it to power it on.
Your phone goes.
That's right.
So let's take that off there.
Yep. And we'll open up this other support piece box here. See what's in this. And then we will open that first.
Sure.
Right.
Let's see what's in here. This is
the counterweights. Those are the counterweights.
Counterweights. Okay.
Okay.
No.
Let's turn it upside down. The box you have is upside down. There you go.
Okay, so
another tray. We'll have to read the instructions. That's the battery holder.
Battery pack. And then
we should see what that is.
We should have done that. Oh,
there we go.
There's your cord.
Yep.
And here's the other weight.
All right, so the instructions look pretty straightforward. These are all in multiple other languages, so I don't think we need that instruction book. Let's, we're going to step away for 2 seconds here. We will take it out of its packaging, follow the instructions, set it up, and we will mount the other phone in it. And then we'll take a look and see what it looks like. So we're back in a second, folks.
Put those in there.
Okay, folks, let's look at everything that comes in the box. We have the gimbal itself, which is that unit right there. We have the 2 sets of rechargeable batteries. That is the recharging tray, as well as the USB power cable to recharge it, right? We have
this is the handle
for the gimbal.
Batteries go in, and then that goes on here.
Okay, once the batteries are installed. And then we have a heavy counterweight and a light counterweight. All right, and I believe there's probably a weight on the unit too, because there should be a 1mm counterweight as well. So it says that comes with 3 counterweights. Oh. Okay, so there's not much to the system itself.
So that must be...
Yep. We will be back in a second now with it fully assembled. That's what comes in the box, and that's the gimbal. Okay, so inserting the 2 rechargeable batteries. It comes with 4, so we have 2 on the charger and 2 here. All right, that was pretty simple. And then that screws onto the bottom of the gimbal.
We're not sure these are charged yet, but we'll find out.
If they're not, we'll stop for a few seconds, charge these, and then come back and finish the video. Holly is getting oh so bored with what we're doing here. She'd rather be scratching. All right. So once that's done, you have to install your phone first. So you have a phone. Okay, so we put the batteries in it. We powered it on. Mrs. Scratcher has it here. She has her phone in it. And it's actually pretty darn cool. Like I said, it's our first time using a gimbal. We put in the light counterweight because this phone's not very heavy, so we didn't need the heavy counterweight. You can see. She has the joystick on it, which allows her to set where she wants it. Tilt up, down. She can go all the way around in a circle with it, right? She can tilt it anywhere she wants. And the whole point of a gimbal, obviously, is to stop that bounce effect, because phones don't have that built in like some cameras do. So yeah, she can tilt it all the way around. She brings it back to where she wants it, and then she holds it, and as she walks, she doesn't get the bounce effect.
So if
It
I'm walking,
stabilizes. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It stabilizes around the handle.
or if I hold it that way or this way,
Keeps the camera straight.
where's that cat?
There's that cat.
There's that cat.
So we're going to use it, and we'll let you know how it goes. We're just going to do the unboxing and the assembly
There
of
we
it.
go.
But it gets great reviews online. We are happy with it so far. There's that
It's
cat.
gonna take some getting used to, I think.
And there's different
But
modes on it. So
It's gonna stop the bouncing, and that's gonna be nice.
yeah, because we don't mind doing videos, but it gets you seasick after a while.
Yeah.
All right, and there's just Holly.
Ooh. Hi.
All right, so here's the instructions. As you can see,
Where you going? You see an empty box.
she does see an empty
That's gonna
box.
be a good empty box, huh? No, don't get that on me. I don't have the empty box. Look at those feet.
Those
Hold it
cat
on.
feet. Yep. All right, so there's different modes. There's single. There's a single flash. It gives you the panning mode. There's a panning and tilting mode, a standby mode, lock mode, and a rolling angle adjustment mode. So, and this explains everything and how it works. So, all right. Thanks for watching this quick video, folks. We will try it out in the next few weeks. We'll come back and let you know how we like the G4 Pro 3-axis gimbal Feiyu. All right, take care, and we'll see you next time. Remember, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Comment below if you have this. Let us know what you think about it. Tell us about your gimbal. All right, take care, folks. Bye-bye.